Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Naris Kamali and I am 2341110X. Here I will explain material about the legal aspect. So enjoy watching to my video guys. Definition of legal aspect. Legal aspect refers to the elements within a legal system that regulate human behavior and social interaction according to established norms. The law is not limited to written status like laws and government regulation, but also include formally recorded social norms. Legal aspect concern how the law is applied in specific context, such as in business, education, government, or daily life. For instance, in business, legal aspects include business licensing regulation, corporation contract, consumer protection, intellectual property, and tax obligation. In personal life, the main involve inheritance law, marriage, will, custody, and property rights. Legal aspect foundation that provide certainty and protection in all dimensions of human life. Next, characteristics of legal aspect. Legal aspect possess distinctive characteristics that differentiate him from general social norms. Number one, binding and enforceable. Laws are mandatory and apply equality to all individuals, including citizens, officials, and even the state. Who violates the law is subject to legal consequences. 2. Normative nature. Law consists of norms that regulate behavior, specifying what is permissible and what is prohibited in social. 3. Sanction for violation. Breaching the law results in consequence, including administrative, civil, or criminal sanction. Number 4. Universally applicable. Laws are made to apply broadly and not for specific individuals or groups, ensuring fairness and non-discrimination. 5. Legitimized and enforced by the state. Legal enforcement is carried out by official institutions such as the police, prosecutors, and courts, under the authority of the state. Next type of legal aspect. Legal aspect can be classified based on various perspectives. Number 1, basic on relationship nature. Public law governs the relationship between individual and the state. Its claims include criminal law, administrative law, and constitutional law. Private law regulates interactions between individuals or between legal entities, such as contract law, property law, family law, and inheritance law. 2. Based on jurisdiction. National law applies within a specific country. International law governs relations between countries or international legal subjects. Local customer law applies within specific communication or regions, often underwritten but acknowledged within the national legal system. 3. Based on source. Written law includes legislation, regulation, and official discourse. Unwritten law includes custom, judicial verdicts, and general legal principles. Okay, next, function of legal aspect. The main function of legal aspect is to establish a social that is orderly, just, and fair. More specifically, the law serves to number 1, regular social behavior, thus provide behavioral standard aspect in social interaction. 2. Provide legal certainty. Written and enforceable laws offer clarity for individuals and organizations regarding their rights and obligations. 3. Guardi Justice. The law balances the rights and duties of varieties providing fair conflict resolution. 4. Protect rights and freedoms. The law secures individual and group rights from abuse by others, including the states. 5. Resolve conflicts. The legal system offers formal mechanisms such as courts of alternative dispute resolution to settle disputes. Okay, next benefit of legal aspect. Understanding and applying legal aspect offers various benefits both individual and social. Number 1, create a sense of security. Legal protection provides individuals with confidence that their rights are upheld. 2. Encourage social responsibility. Laws promote the idea that freedom comes with responsibility, fostering ethical, law-abiding citizens. 3. Good decision making. Laws are a set foundation in decision making, especially in high-stake or complex situations. 4. Prevents abuse of power. Legal boundaries restrict authorities from acting arbitrarily. 5. Build trust in business. Legal complements support fair and transparent business practice, fostering trust among partner in investor. Okay, next, last conclusion. From the discussion above, it can be concluded that legal aspects are a fundamental element in creating order, justice and protection in society. Law functions not only as a set of rules but also a comprehensive system encompassing norms, sanctions, and enforcement mechanisms. By understanding the definition, characteristic, type, function, and benefit of legal aspect, individual as organization are better equipped to navigate the complex of social and economic life. Legal completion is not merely an obligation but also a moral responsibility to help build a lawful, safe, and just social. Therefore, is crucial for every citizen, especially students and the younger generation, to develop legal and nurture a foundation for a better and more cohesive future. That's all the material I can convey. I apologize if there are any mistakes of it is not clear. I Mariska Malani would like to thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.